Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. The viewers in front of me OPPO A98, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. So firstly, of course, we need to open the Play Store on our device, and let's find the theme on the third place in this top. It's Niagara Launcher theme. So just find Niagara Launcher and click install. Wait a while and cool. Click open to open this theme. And click agree and continue. Choose your favorite apps here. Scroll down, click accept all. Go back, find your launcher again, and cool. So here as you can see we have really simple interface. Here we have the alphabetical line. Using this alphabetical line we can find any applications we need. And we have the menu with home screen. So on the home screen we have only our favorite apps. Cool. On the second place in my top is Smart Launcher. Smart Launcher 6. Let's find it and let's install. And click open. Click get started. I agree, confirm, continue. Only while in the app. Hello. Confirm. Click on the cross and cool. So here we have really minimalistic interface. Here we have the main menu with really great apps grouping feature. As you can see here we have the groups, and we can group our apps by groups. And here we have really great wallpaper gallery. So it's really cool gallery. It updates every day. So you have every day really great wallpapers to set up. And on the first place in my top is Microsoft Launcher. Find it, click install. Open it, click get started while using the app. Hello. Continue. Skip. Okay. Continue. Let go. And cool. So here as you can see we have the glance panel, and I really like this feature because using the glance panel we can stop all our widgets here. So all widgets you need you can set up here, and you don't need to swipe between thousands of home screens to find a certain widget. In the main menu we have alphabetical line like in Niagara, and we have hide features, hide apps feature. So you can hide, for example, compass if you don't need it, games, applications, SIM card settings and other. So it's really great, but the killer feature of this launcher is gestures. So you can set up gestures here. For example, I want to use double tap to open, for example, calculator. And now when I will double tap on my home screen, I will open the calculator. So it's really great. So you can try to set it up. So you have different gests. For example, here as you can see we have tap home button from home screen, swipe up, swipe down, 2 fingers swipe up, 2 fingers swipe down, double tap, swipe up, double tap, swipe down, pinch in, pinch out. So as you can see we have really different gestures, and we can set up it all. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.